Thank you so much, Anuja. So let me tell you, she's been quoting a book, so let me quote a book to her. This is by Rakesh Maurya, who is the former police commissioner of Mumbai. He's written a book, let me say it now, where astoundingly what he says is that there was a complete plan to even put 26/11 as Hindu terror. And he says, had Constable, I think it was Eknath Omble, Tukaram Omble, if Tukanath Omble had not arrested, Tukaram Omble, had he not arrested Ajmal Kasab live, it would have been termed as Hindu terror. And see the facts there, that there was clava on his wrist. So there was every attempt to make it that this was a Hindu doing. Unfortunately for the Jachans of this country, he was caught live. Now that is the state of affairs.
But but the Congress is saying Mehboob Mujawar is a Jachand who is suddenly now trying to milk this to his benefit. Because let's face it, and this fact also must be put out, he has faced departmental inquiry. There was a case against him. And now because the BJP is in government, he's trying to get on the right side of the narrative and perhaps get post-retirement benefits from you.
No, Chitra, in any case, had come with a prepared this thing. Unfortunately, you stumped her because she had come with this narrative. Why did he wake up right now? So he woke up, 8 years ago. So he's not waking up today. And the person they want to believe, Paramveer Singh, where is he? He's a proclaimed offender. So that is where we stand today. And this is all concocted. And now she's challenging the court. The court has been there, or rather various courts have been there even earlier.
Okay.
Pragya ji was not acquitted. Where 3 other people were acquitted, she was not acquitted and she was made to stand trial. If that had been the case, even she would have been acquitted then. But the court has gone through it, but I think it will be good for the Congress that they should start respecting the courts. What they have been doing all along, they've even fabricated. The Congress and its allies have fabricated blasts. And let me tell you, this is the case where Sharad Pawar in 1993, when he was the CM, there were 12 blasts in Bombay, and he fabricated a 13th blast he said this happened in the Masjid Bandar area, and later admitted that I fabricated it so that it should seem there was a blast not only in the Hindu areas but also in a Muslim area.
Okay.
That is the kind of thing Congress and its allies have been